Hello, I'm with Cédric Duszak and I'd like him to present himself.
Hello Philippe, Cédric Duszak, Operation Director for Hydro Extrusion France, heading the 4 extrusion plants for the group in this perimeter in France. The objective when we get in touch the first time was to focus on the service to our customers. Our on-time delivery was not as expected from my side and for sure from our customers. Not bad, but not perfect. That's why we started to discuss about the theory of constraint. Moreover, we saw also that our working process and stocks were a bit too high for our kind of industries, and so that's why we give you the mandate to support us in our journey there. It was a shock for them at the beginning when we decided to empty the plants of any aluminium profiles which were laying there in WIP and also in stock, to reduce to the maximum the lead time between the entrance of the rough aluminium till the profile shipped to the customer. You got the opportunity to see the whole process, to meet a lot of people. For them it was really challenging because it was the first time to have this kind of diagnostic and analysis of a process by external eyes in this format. But I think at the end they were quite happy with the output of that, and for sure the results. Everybody was relaxed, even if sometimes there was some hard fact put on the table. It was not to hurt someone, it was just to make sure that all the problems were on the table and how we will solve them together. They discovered that we were able to supply in less than 2 days, and today in less than 1 day, directly to our customers. It was the investment done. The reports were quite large, again talking about human aspects but also technical things. In this journey, the most important is to have a good connection between you and us. I remember after the first chat we got together, something was there was a common view on the theory of constraint and on our industry. This feeling was big. If you have this connection between the diagnostic team and the rest of your own team, it creates a lot. If you look to the results, it's an investment that you have to do, an investment on your people and on your factory. We went up to 4 times less width. We accelerated a lot the throughput throughout the whole plant, in fact. And for me, the best results is the on-time delivery that we can now offer to our customers, reaching minimum at 99%. We came from a KPI-driven plant with a focus on the most expensive assets of the plant to only 1 or 2 KPIs, which are the OTD and the lead time of the plant. And by doing that, we can offer a lot more service. And as we focus only on the bottleneck of the plant, immediately the rest of the chain starts to deliver even better result than before when we are focusing on the wrong place of the plant. I only see benefits in fact.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you, Philippe.
Thank you.